about to get that run for plate, but then the crossing went off. Can't believe it did that. I think there's one over here as well. I think because there's 2 1 for plate that's come off. So can't see. Can't see if there's any 1 for plate anywhere. A 1 SPX 1 oh well. Come from that way, I reckon. Dude, can you see if you can try and get a run for plate from over there?
Yeah, we'll get it after.
Yeah, do it as soon as the barrels are up. That's what I recommend doing.
Got it back, okay.
And this is, oh hello, here's the other one.
So which direction's Birmingham again? Sorry.
Birmingham's that way, and Kidderminster and Birmingham are that way. Oh, what kind of a border? Yeah. And Kidderminster and Worcester and Great Malvern are that way. Here's another Voyager. I think we're double staying by the looks. Voyager, I don't know if it's a Super Voyager or whatever. Was no. Don't know why it's going via here though. Usually it'll go via Coventry. It's down there. Just go down there. It's so wet out here. I just showed the one with the plate down there. That's what I was trying to get before the crossing went. It's there. I got water got on my camera earlier. It went blur, so I had to wipe it off. And last closure, I accidentally stopped recording by doing this, like trying to change the.
Use that to wipe it with.
I just use that tissue to wipe it with. Ah no, it's gone dark. This thing's not focusing. There we go. The camera's not focusing. It went dark somehow. So there's no SPX plate because it's right the way down there. You see? You see, guys? It's right the way down there. So like someone got a SPX Romford plate came off at Great Northern Terrace. But I think that's been off of mechanics for a while because I looked on Google Maps at this crossing and that wasn't on 2011. There's NRS. No, look, it has NRS on the back. There's a Collis Tampa. I think that might be a Chiltern over there, possibly.
See what's down this path, right?
Yeah, just very quickly though. And this next crossing up from Langley Green, but Langley Green's probably about a good 10 miles from here, or maybe more than that, or maybe less. But Langley Green's just a bit of a while. It's just a bit of a while down the line. Collis rail fans over there. So I'm missing amber light, guys. I was just about to get the one for the plates. I spoke down to it went off. So I had to get him to pass it back to me. But at least I got the barrows going down though. There's a nice alarm. 2006 probably, these lights. I think these have been 2006, but the boroughs I think were 2008. So this Gosling used to have boroughs like Hemwick, but not the ones like Barnby Lane and New Haven Harbour, but the ones like the old 1970s to 1990s, which had the sort of hydraulics type, which are in a cage. Do you know what I mean? Like once the stage was bigger, they might also got NRS. So you can't hear me very well. It's this wind today. The weather's been a bit of a pain today. It's last closure. Sorry about that. Sorry about the knocking noise accidentally. Just on the fence. I'm always making loads of apologies. I don't know why. I don't think I'm going to do intro because it's quite a busy section of this. Although this but it's about, I tell you about up is Cradley, Heath and Langley Green, but the only difference on this line is you get the mix of them, unlike Cradley, Heath and Langley Green, where you have just London Midlands and the occasional Chiltern. One 72336. 172 is Stourbridge Junction. Signal down there's Res. One at Dorridge.